Here's what we get. We got parts, pieces laying all over the place. There's no switches in the door. There's not even a motor in it, doesn't look like. Nope. No motor. No switches. So let's get into this thing and see what we got. Alright, we're going to plug some of this stuff in and see what it does. Here's a motor that was laying there. And we got to put a switch in it. I love it when it comes in pieces. You just have to charge more, that's all.
You should have got in it. Okay.
So we got nothing. It makes it a little click, that's about it. Alright, let's try the other motor. See what it does. Looks like we got some stuff from the junkyard. Same thing, it clicks too. Alright, let's look up a wiring diagram. Alright, let's see. 2004? 5?
September 2005.
VW. Golf.
PDI.
Alright, let's see what we got on Windows here. Wiring. Power, mirror, seats, top, windows. So we got a fuse. All right, let's check.
Left side dash.
Let's check the red and white here, and check the red with the yellow. Should be both hot at all times.
Where is it?
Alright, see again voltage. 6.2. That doesn't sound good. That's a ground. There's another wire here. Let's see. The brown is your ground. There's another wire right there, I think. That one's good. But that one's 6.1 volts. That ain't good. That's red with white. Okay.
The diffuser or really panel?
One
in the dash, one over the hood.
It says power window, circuit breaker, and relay panel. Now, if the rest of them are the other windows working?
What's the other wire that's got power?
No, I mean, can you roll that window down on the driver's side or passenger side?
Sure.
So, okay. So we got to have something going on between the circuit breaker or the window through the feed, because that one works, so it's not the circuit breaker. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. So we got to have something going on here. From that to the splice, and it doesn't say where the splice is at. So I'm thinking it's probably in the, the door feed.
Right here?
Yep. We probably got a bad wire from here through to the circuit breaker, because we only got 6.2 volts, so we got a lot of resistance. So we're going to have to track this thing down. and see where we got the voltage loss at. Okay, so we're gonna wiggle the wires in here and see what happens here.
It jumped up.
I thought we'd get a lot more reaction than that. Turn this up just a little bit so they can see it.
Oh, lost it.
Oh, yep. All right, so we're gonna have to open that up, see what's going on. All right, we got some corrosion. Let's see if I can get you down here and show it to you. And if I can find it there. There it is. Get too much stuff in the way here. Oh yeah, we got some main corrosion going on there. Keep getting a... There, that's better. No wonder we only got 5 volts. Yeah, lucky we got any, that's for sure. Alright, so we're gonna have to pull this out of here. See what we can do with it. Alright. So we pulled this all the way out of the car. And we got the red with white stripe. Is broke right off. Corroding gone. And we got some tears and cuts in the wires going inside. So we're going to see if we can't get this thing unpinned. I don't know if I got one of those pins or not, but we'll see. Alright. Got the pin replaced. Took one out of another loom. Alright, we're going to tape it up. Tape's on the floor. And we got to feed it through back to the door, back into the car, and plug it in and test it. We're using fiber tape instead of the kind of cloth tape. It's got a lot more abrasion resistance to it. That's what it was, the way it was done from the factory too. Put the boot on it. Give it the boot. Off boot. Okay, let's plug the motor in and give it a shot. See how she works. Aha! Alright, good deal. All we gotta do is put her back together and this thing's ready to go. Simple corrosion problem. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just a typical Michigan corrosion problem in the wiring. You have a good day. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe for more videos, hit the subscribe button. We always appreciate you. You have a great day. Bye-bye.